watch it and then criticize and be like, that's not the right consistency and da 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 da. You know, like that's not how you do this. And I'll be like, listen, the title of the video says I tried out waxing for the first time. Dog.
Want you to fall in deeper. Pull your joy, now you me so. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I've been up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over many pools, I guess it's true. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what?
Hey party people, I'm Chris. I'm back today with a self-care experiment. I started getting waxed at salons back in 2021, and now it's become one of my favorite parts of my self-care routine. But lately, with prices going up for pretty much everything, I got a random idea to start waxing at home. Now, I don't trust myself to do much yet.
I'm scared. I'm gonna do my eyebrows when I know I got the hang of this thing. But first I'm gonna just start with my lip. All right. Here we go.
Please don't have a medical emergency up there.
I won't. I'll be okay. Oh, she tried to wax her own lip. I know. What if I leave it on there too long? Oh. Okay. Let me mix the wax. Oh snap, that's thick. Is this supposed to be that thick? I'm nervous.
I'm nervous. You nervous? I'm nervous.
Say to do a test strip on your hand to see if it's too hot.
And if it is too hot, I saw one girl, she put her skin right on. She put it on and she went, ouch. And then as she started taking it off, her skin came off.
Oh goodness, I'm scared. Until it's not sticky to the touch. I'm waiting. Come on. How do you? Oh, okay. Okay, that's all you gotta do. It was easy. Okay, it's fine. I think I put too much.
Kristen. Oh my god, I hate that.
I'm trying to twist it off.
It's coming off too soon. Hold on. I don't think I did it right. It's not sticking right. It's not hot enough. How do you make it hotter?
It'll stick up to me.
Oh shoot. What if I did it wrong? Hold on. Oh, ooh. No, I did it right. It hurt. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3. Ah. Okay. Ah.
Look at the strip. Is it curvy?
Yeah. Oh shoot. I'm gonna do it 1/2 at a time this time. Hey, that looks more like the videos. God. Alright, let's take it off. Oh shoot. How you ow, ow, holy sh. Ow, that hurt. Ah, oh snap, here we go. Ow, that hurt. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Shoot. I think that one got it all. Dang.
So clearly I'm no waxing professional, but Today, I did learn something new. It's best to pull in the opposite direction of your hair growth so that you can remove as much of it as possible at one time.
And be like, oh, ooh, that burn.
I also learned that waxing my face works a lot better when I work in smaller sections instead of putting big, giant areas of wax and trying to pull it all off like I am doing right now.
I don't know how to get this crap up. Ouch. Ow. Yeah. That's what I was trying to get.
I honestly never knew how hard waxing really was because I always had someone else doing it for me. So if you have any tips, tricks, methods that would make my waxing experience even easier, please drop it down in the comments below.
One, two, three, go. Okay, that wasn't too bad. It's getting all my little hairs. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Ouch! Ouch!
Was he friend?
Ouch! Ouch! I just sprayed after wax all over my mouth.
You went with alcohol?
No, after wax, like the spray. Oh, it takes the rest of the wax off. Hey! All right.
Well, party people, I hope you enjoyed this little night of self-care with me. Please remember to hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed. And until next time, guys, stay well. Peace.
I'm waiting, waiting, waiting on the world to change. But I keep on waiting, waiting, waiting on the world to change. It's still a little bit sticky to the touch. I think wax is just sticky, so.